Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to start navigation route. To set navigation route, take a look at the screen display. And now select Map and tap Search. Select Address or POI. Tap Start. And
the route
it's
has
set.
been calculated. Drive onto a digitized road. The route includes unsurfaced roads.
To stop navigation route, go to menu and select Cancel route. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.